today. Gotta see what's wrong with this whole switch. The windows work, door locks don't work, mirrors don't work, and the door locks don't work. And I think these, so let me try it. Okay, the windows work. Their suspension works. Door locks don't work. The seat don't work. And the windows don't work. And these don't move. Okay. I already looked at it and the fuse 29 is missing. I think that's a 20 amp fuse, so I'm gonna go see if I have one. Okay, found a 20. Hopefully that fixes it. Okay, let's see. No? So some of them work. This one works. The window switch, it does too. Okay. Yeah, this one. Now they work. Good. Oh, okay. The seat works.